All right, here we are again at the CNC. We're building a sign today for our neighbor. She is expecting here near the end of the month, and she requested me to build this sign, which I have been procrastinating on. She asked for it, I think probably a month ago, and I just getting to it. So I've got the Aura mask put down on our plywood sheet here. It's already painted, so all we gotta do is run the carve. Here we go. All right, so here's the finished thing, all done cutting, and now we're going to take it inside and we'll paint the letters black and frame it up, and it'll be all done. So I'll show you that process. All right, here it is, finished product. I told you I was going to show you how I painted it. It's not very exciting. So it's you just paint it and then you peel the stuff off. I had some poplar laying around that I painted gray and put a frame on it, and it looks really good. I'm about to go deliver it to the new owner right now. So she's my neighbor. I'm just gonna walk it across the street, but there you go. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these types of CNC videos. That's the only way I know what you want. So thanks.